In this video, I'm going to show you how to open Incognito window on Google Chrome browser. So it's a very quick and simple method to open Incognito mode. Click on these three dots and click on New Incognito window. And also you can open Incognito window by pressing Ctrl Shift and N. That's it. So it's quick and easy method to open Incognito window. And friends, benefit of using this Incognito window: Chrome won't save the following information: your browsing history, cookies, and site data information entered in forms. And also make sure your activity might still be visible to website that you visit, your employer or school, your internet service provider. So like this you can open Incognito window. Thanks for watching.